Now, the another topic is reciprocal equation. So, already I said that reciprocal equation. A function f of x is 0 is said to be a reciprocal equation if x place లో మనం ఏం తీసుకోవాలి 1 by x అని తీసుకోవాలి. So, here that is if 1 by alpha is the root of f of x is equal to 0. Now, so here an equation f of x, what is f of x? A naught x to the power of n plus a1 x to the power of n minus 2 plus a2 x to the power of n minus 2 and so on plus an is equal to 0 is a reciprocal equation if and only if either the first one ai is equal to an minus i for i equal to 1, 2, 3 and so on n. Next ai is equal to minus an minus i for i equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. So that means, so the first x power n coefficient and the constants are in both are in same sign, either positives or in either negatives. That is the class 1 reciprocal equation or first reciprocal equation of first class. Next, the nth degree coefficient and constants are in opposite signs. That is class 2 reciprocal equation. For example, so take any one. So f of x is equal to x power 4 minus 3x cube plus 5x square plus 3x minus 2 minus 1 is equal to 0. Minus 1 is equal to 0. So x power 4 is positive and the constant is negative. X cube is negative, positive. So the link of the first and last and second and last but one like this. This is the class 2 reciprocal equation. Or so x power 4 here minus 3 here minus 3x. So f of x is equal to x power 4 minus 3x cube plus 5x square minus 3x plus 1. So x power 4 positive and the last one is positive. So x cube term, that is coefficient of x cube is negative. So coefficient of x is negative. So this is a class 1. This is class 1 reciprocal equation. So the main we observed in the previous problems, the function is in a 4th degree or 5th degree or 6th degree. So the coefficients are different in the previous questions, but here the coefficients are nth degree and constant n minus i degree. The coefficients are either same sign or in the opposite sign. We follow this rule, that is the reciprocal equation. Now take the example, class 1 reciprocal equation. Solve x power 4 minus 10x cube plus 26x square minus 10x plus 1 is equal to 0. In the previous examples, to observe the coefficients, in this example to observe the coefficient. So if the different coefficients in the nth degree and constant or n minus 1th degrees are different, we solve the Horner's method, and this one also we can solve it in Horner's. But this is the special case for nth degree and n minus 1th degree, n minus ith degree, or the coefficients are here same. So x power 4 is positive and here positive 1. X cube is minus 10, here x coefficient is minus 10. So like a naught x to the power of n plus a1 x to the power of n minus 1 plus and so on, a n minus 1 into x plus a n equal to 0 form. Okay, So here a naught is equal to an. So 1 is equal to 1. A1 is equal to an minus 1. Minus 10 is equal to minus 10. This is a class 1 reciprocal equation. Now, so first f of x is equal to x power 4 minus 10x cube plus 26x square minus 10x plus 1 equal to 0. So this equation first divided by x square, divided by x square. Suppose here fifth degree or sixth degree equation there. Suppose if the equation is the degree is fifth degree and sixth degree are like this. So if it is fifth degree, first to find the one root of this equation to solve the Horner's method or in any one method to reduce up to x to the power of 4. Suppose x power 6, x power 6, the degree is sixth degree. So first to find the two roots of this equation, reduce x power 4th degree of the equation. Next follow the remaining procedure. First divided by x square, that is equal to x power 4 by x square minus 10x cube by x square plus 26x square by x square minus 10x by x square plus 1 by x square equal to 0. Now that implies x square minus 10x plus 26 minus 10 by x plus 1 by x square equal to 0. Now the first and last and x 1 by x terms right in the same side. X square plus 1 by x square minus 10 take common, x plus 1 by x plus 26 is equal to 0. So first let x plus 1 by x is equal to some a, squaring on both sides, So x plus 1 by x whole square is equal to a square. So x square plus 1 by x square plus 2 is equal to a square. To transpose it, it is x square plus 1 by x square equal to a square minus 2. Now, so this, let it be equation 1. Let it be equation 1. Now, to substitute the a square minus 2 and a values in equation 1, the equation convert in terms of a, that is from 1 a square minus 2 minus 10a plus 26 is equal to 0. That is a square minus 10a plus 24 is equal to 0. So this is a quadratic equation. So a square minus 10a plus 24 equal to 0. Now the factors of 24 and the middle term is minus 10. So 6 4 ja 24. So minus 6 and minus 4. Now a square minus 6a minus 4a plus 24 equal to 0. Now a take common, a minus 6 minus 4 take common, a minus 6 is equal to 0. Now again a minus 6 take common, a minus 4 equal to 0. Therefore a is equal to 4 or a is equal to 6. Now, but what is a value in case 1? In case 1, if a is equal to 4, If a is equal to 4, what is a? X plus 1 by x plus 1 by x is equal to a. So a is equal to 4. X plus 1 by x is equal to 4 by 1. X square plus 1 equal to 4, cross multiplied. X square plus 1 equal to 4x. So x square minus 4x plus 1 equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation. In this quadratic equation, find the roots. Now, x is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. Now, so 4 plus or minus square root of 16 minus 4 into 1 into 1 by 2 into 1, that equal to 4 plus or minus square root of 16 minus 4 by 2, that equal to 4 plus or minus root to 12 by 2. So 12 can be right. 4 plus or minus root 4 into 3 by 2. So take root 4 can be right to 2. So 4 plus or minus 2 root 3 by 2. Take 2 common. So 2 plus or minus root 3 is a 2 roots. 2 roots. Next, in case 2. In case 2, if a is equal to 6, x plus 1 by x is equal to 6. So in the same procedure, denominator is x square plus 1 is equal to 6, cross multiplied. X square plus 1 equal to 6x, x square minus 6x plus 1 equal to 0. This is also a quadratic equation. Now, next. So x square minus 6x plus 1 equal to 0. So x is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a, that equal to 6 plus or minus square root of 36 minus 4 into 1 into 1 4 by 2 into 1 2. 6 plus or minus root 32 by 2, that equal to 6 plus or minus 32 can be right 16 into 2, that is equal to root 16 into 2 by 2, that equal to 6 plus or minus 4 root 2 by 2. Take 2 common. So 3 plus or minus 2 root 2. 2 root 2. Therefore, the roots are 2 plus or minus root 3 comma 3 plus or minus 2 root 2. Now take another example. Class 2. Solve 6x power 6 minus 25x power 5 plus 31x power 4 minus 31x square plus 25x minus 6 is equal to 0. First, to observe the equation, the previous equation and this equation. In the previous equation, so the a0 and an are the same signs, and a1 and an minus 1 are the same signs. But in this one is x power, the coefficient of x power 6 is 6, here minus 6. x power 5 coefficient is minus 25, x coefficient is plus 25. So plus minus plus minus. So the alternate sides are there. So here f of x is equal to a naught x power n plus a1 x to the power of n minus 1 and so on. A n minus 1 x plus a n is equal to 0 form. In the form here, so a naught is equal to minus a n, a1 is equal to minus a n minus 1 and a2 is equal to minus a n minus 2 and so on in class 2 reciprocal equation. So the degree is, it is even degree. Now f of x is equal to 6x power 6 minus 25x power 5 plus 31x power 4 minus 31x square plus 25x minus 6 is equal to 0. So it is even degree. Even degree class 2 reciprocal equation. Class 2 reciprocal equation. But what is the degree, highest degree here? 6th degree. So in the 6th degree can be reduced up to 4th degree. Now by trial and error. So the roots, that is, put x is equal to 1, that is f of 1 equal to 6 minus 25 plus 25 plus 31 minus 31. So it is 0. So by trial and error 1. So 1 and minus 1 are the roots of f of x. Now, so this can be changed into by Horner's method. First coefficients 6 minus 25 31 minus 31 25 minus 6. Now first one 0 6 6 1 is 6 minus 19 minus 19. So 31 minus 19. So 2 and 1 12 12 1 ja 12. 31 minus 9 19. So 19 ones 19 minus 19 here minus 19. 25 minus 19 is 6. 6 1 ja 6. This is 0. Next again, what is the another root? Minus 1. So 0 6 minus 6 into 1 minus 6 minus 25 25 into 1 25. So add it 37 into minus 37. So in the given question, 6th degree, 5th degree, 4th degree, there is no 3rd degree. So we forgot here. Now a small correction. Now 6 minus 25, 31, 0 minus 31, 25, minus 6. So first, so minus 1, 0, 6, minus 1 into 6, minus 6, minus 31, plus 31, so 62. So minus 1 into 62, minus 62, minus 31, so plus 31, so 62, so minus 62. So here minus 62, so minus 62 plus this is plus 62, 62 minus 31, 1, 3, so plus 31, 31 into minus 1, minus 31, so here minus 6, minus 6 into plus 6, plus 6, so 0 again. So 1, 0, so 6, 6 1 ja 6, so 31 minus 6, 5, 25, minus 25, so minus 25 into 1, minus 25, 12 minus 5, 7, 5 minus 2, 37, 37, so 12 minus 7, 5, so 5 minus 3, 2, minus 25, 1 into minus 25, minus 25, 31 minus 25, 6, 1 into 6, 6, this is 0. So therefore, this is constant, x term, x square term, x cube term, x power 4 term. Therefore, 6x power 4 minus 25x cube plus 37x square minus 25x plus 6 is equal to 0. This is the fourth degree polynomial. The equation is 6x power 5 minus 25x cube plus 37x square minus 25x plus 6 is equal to 0. So this equation follow in the previous method. Like this is a second equation. This is the first equation. Now, so 6x power 5 minus 25x cube plus 37x square minus 25x plus 6 is equal to 0. So plus, plus, minus, minus. So even degree and class 1 reciprocal equation. Class 1 reciprocal equation. Now divided by x square. Now it is 6x square minus 25x plus 37 minus 25 by x plus 6 by x square equal to 0. Now 6x square plus 6 by x square minus 25x minus 25 by x plus 37 equal to 0. Now take 6 common, x square plus 1 by x square minus 25 take common, x plus 1 by x plus 37 equal to 0. Let it be equation 3. Now let or put x plus 1 by x is equal to a and x square plus 1 by x square equal to, I said already how to solve this one. X square plus 1 by x square equal to a square minus 1 to substitute in the equation 3. Now 6 into a square minus 2 minus 25a plus 37 equal to 0. 6a square minus 6 2 ja 12 minus 25a plus 37 equal to 0. Now write in order 6a square minus 25a plus 25 is equal to 0. So this is the quadratic equation. Now 6a square minus 25a plus 25 is equal to 0. So 25 into 6, 6 5 is 30, 0, 6 2 is 12, 150. So the factors of 150 and add and multiple 25. So 10, 15 ja 150 minus 10 and minus 15. So 6a square minus 15a minus 10a plus 25 is equal to 0. Now in the first two terms, 3a take common, 2a minus 5, next take 5 common, minus 5, so 5 2 is 10, minus 5 5 is 25 is equal to 0. Now 2a minus 5 again take common, 3a minus 5 is equal to 0. Therefore 2a minus 5 is equal to 0 or 3a minus 5 is equal to 0. Therefore a is equal to 5 by 2. This is the one root, and a is equal to 5 by 3. This is the another root. Now in the case 1, if a is equal to 5 by 2, that is x plus 1 by x is equal to 5 by 2. So x square plus 1 by x is equal to 5 by 2. Now cross multiply it, it becomes 2 of x square plus 1 is equal to 5x. Now case 1, a is equal to 5 by 2. Now x plus 1 by x is equal to 5 by 2, let it be by 1. So LCM is x square plus 1 is equal to 5 by 2, cross multiply. 2 of x square plus 1 is equal to 5x. So 2x square minus 5x plus 2 equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation. In this quadratic equation, so x is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. So x square, or using the factors 2 2 is 4, the middle term is minus 5. So minus 4 and minus 1. So using this formula, we can get the easiest answer. So 2x square minus 4x minus x plus 2 is equal to 0. 2x take common, x minus 2, minus 1 take common, x minus 2 equal to 0, or x minus 2 of 2x minus 1, 0. So x is equal to 2, or 2x is equal to 1, x is equal to 1 by 2. Therefore x is equal to 2 is a one root, and x is equal to 1 by 2 is the another root. Next, in case 2, a is equal to 5 by 3. Now x plus 1 by x is equal to 5 by 3, let it be by 1. x square plus 1 is equal to 5 by 3, cross multiply. 3 of x square plus 1 is equal to 5x. 3x square minus 5x plus 3 is equal to 0. Now this is another quadratic equation. In the another quadratic equation, the roots x is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a, that equal to 5 plus or minus square root of 25 minus 4 into 3 into 3 by 2 3 is 6. That equal to 5 plus or minus square root of 25, 4 3 is 12, 12 3 is 36 by 6. So that implies 5 plus or minus square root of 36 and 25 1 11 minus 11 by 6, that equal to 5 plus or minus root 11 I by 6. Therefore, the roots are x is equal to 2, 1 by 2, 5 plus or minus I root 11 by 6, already 1 comma minus 1. So total 6 roots are there.